Jonas here. Welcome to Daylight Bricks. A little update in my city. Here I have made place for new mocks in the future. And same here. Little construction. Here we can see the new modular buildings, the police house from this year. A very nice building. And here we have the latest project I made. It's not done yet. The new gold mine. I'm gonna add more tiles to this area, to the water, and build this level. And we have a little waterfall to the upper level. I'm gonna build a little river here to the tree house. Here I have built a smart function. Move the house. And here we have the battery box to the train in the gold mine. And here we have a little nest for this bird. Goodbye from me.